The gaze is fixed. Yet the forest holds a second predator for the same target. Every fiber coiled in silent preparation for the explosive launch. The pounce. The herd shatters into a dozen directions. He singles out the alpha male. In this forest, a failed hunt is a slow descent into starvation. A desperate, bone-shattering kick from the buck's rump. The blow is concussive. Having missed its chance at the prey because of the leopard's interference, he now seethes with a quiet, vengeful resolve. The tiger's massive jaws are locked firmly around the leopard's neck, a crushing grip of absolute dominance that vibrates through the damp forest floor. Below him, the leopard coils in a